Manager from UntamedTech. Tonight we're going to have a quick chat about making your JoJo tank top-ups a little bit smarter. So depending on whether you have a borehole to feed this tank or you're using municipal water, there's different options. But if you're going to be using a borehole pump, what you can do is use something like a Sonoff Mini with a switch input. Put a smart switch like the Power Elite or the Power Origin onto your borehole pump, and then set up a scene with a float switch. It's those blue and yellow ones you buy from builders. Just put it on the S1 and S2, so if the float switch gets to the bottom, it turns it on. If it gets to the top, it just turns it off. So that will control your borehole pump to actually fill up your tank to the level that you want, set by your float switch. Second option is a Sonoff Smart Water Valve, and that is that little guy there. So you can use the basic option to say, if your tank is like this one, 2,500 liters, and it gets about halfway, and you know you use half of your tank every week, set it on a schedule to top it up with 1,000 liters a week. You can manually top it up and see how many liters you do via this smart water valve as well. It'll show you liters or on a schedule. So the other option is, if you want to take it one step further, that is a Tuya water level sensor. Now there is a local supplier that we can get these sensors from. Now this is where the challenge comes in, because you're going to need Home Assistant for a Tuya device to actually talk to an eWeLink or a Sonoff device. So what we've set here is that we've got the tank level sensor. If it reaches 75, it turns the Sonoff water valve on, and when it reaches 95, it just turns the Sonoff water valve off again. So that way we always keep the tank between 75 and 95. On average here we use about 200 to 250 liters of water here, but we can manage it with Home Assistant. And we can always keep an eye, because we've got the tank level sensor, so we just put a gauge on Home Assistant to show us what the tank level is. And just to quickly show you guys what it looks like in Home Assistant, there's the gigantic monster dashboard, but is the tank level, it's on 80%. We click on it and we can see the history going down from 100% all the way down to 80 now. Once it hits 75, like you can see yesterday we hit 75 and it topped it up to 95. But that's just automations to do that. So if you guys are interested, Home Assistant, we can help you out, we can set it up, we can do all these automations for you. Give us a shot. So if you're interested, or you want to get some more ideas on how to do this, you can also scale this out onto bigger systems and stuff like that. So, but give us a shout. Our contact details on the website here, the contact us page. We're in Westine in Johannesburg. If you want to come and have a chat with us, we can help you to set this up, or guide you at least. But yeah, reach out to us. Have a good evening. Cheers.